Women bring a vital perspective to the energy efficiency and building innovation sector. Their diverse insights drive more inclusive, sustainable solutions tailored to society's needs. My name is Alejandra del Valle. I'm the new coordinator of the Horizon Europe project EBENTO. In our team, we believe that diverse perspectives allow us to tackle industry challenges from multiple angles. Innovation thrives when we combine different experiences, skills, and ways of thinking. At EBENTO, 40% of our team members are women, contributing their talent to improving buildings' energy efficiency. From engineering to project management, their impact is key to transforming the sector. We strive for a more equitable society where women play a key role in STEM careers. Let's combine talent and diversity for a more sustainable future.